I'm here, guys. What's up, people? It's so beautiful to see you guys here. I was just doing my, protein shake with water. What's up, guys? Welcome. Hadouken! Welcome, guys. Welcome. Dinottella is here.
How are you, Mina?
Oh my God, Dinottella is here, guys. How are you? I'm gonna be, Dinotti went today. I think he had to. Oh, sorry, I always think she's my best girlfriend, Dinotti. And I was, he asked me if I can do the stream today, and I was like, no, I can't do that. He was like, you can't do it. I believe in you. You're beautiful, and you know how to speak. I'm like, no. They're gonna again ask me numbers. They're gonna want me to show them boobs, and I don't wanna do that. But fuck it, he fucks me good. Dinotti fucks me good, and I had to give him something back. I have to give him something back. So I'm here, guys. My name is Dinottella, and I like everything what is in purple and rose color. Yes. So I hope here's a lot of rose colors, and I don't know what kind of music is this, but Dinotti said I gotta put a scooter on, and I kind of like scooter, but that blonde guy is ugly. He's not like me. Look at my hair. My hairs, my hair are special. I do every day. I spend like 20 hours to make them good, and do you like my hair, guys? Say that I'm beautiful. And what is this all about, guys? What is this all about? I see he said you gotta be here in front of camera, and there are gonna be some boys. I love boys. I love groupie boys. And I'm gonna be here today. I'm gonna see how long I'm gonna stay. He said that I can be here for like an hour, then I have to go, guys. I have to go to the Brazilian chup, I'm a little bit hairy down there. And I gotta go to Brazilian chup, and then I'm all like a chicken, shaved chicken. So, okay, he said I gotta see who's on my stream today. I don't know you guys, I don't know you, but he said that I gotta read it. And I see, Mihalets, I had to give you 100 stars because first guy here, he said you gotta give some Haugen. Then I have to give you Haugen. And I know what is Haugen. He said I gotta press something.
Fuck you, asshole.
What is this? Oh my God, what kind of words are those? What did I do? What did I do? Shit. Oh my God. Somebody said fuck you. Oh, he knows what I like. Yeah, I like that a lot. For money. I like to fuck for money. Yeah. So, I gotta.
Run, Sword, run!
Where do I have to run? I don't wanna go anywhere. I just came here. I don't wanna go anywhere. What? Haugen! So that's it. Okay, Michalit, you got your Hadouken. And you got your 100 stars. Congratulations. Oh, guys, you didn't say that I'm beautiful. He rent me this sweater, which is some ugly boy from Italy, Valentino Rossi. And that Valentino Rossi, he can't speak English. But I know him. We did the boom. Yeah, he has a lot of money. Yeah, I used to work in a Moto Grand Prix. I was those girls which I had an umbrella. Umbrella. And he said, oh, you have some beautiful rims. And I was like, I don't have rims. I'm a flat. I don't have rims. My boobs are small. So I'm saving today for some new boobs, guys. I'm saving for new boobs, guys. I'm a small boob girl, but I do the good. I do the good, yeah. I do the good, yeah. My mother taught me, she said, Dinottella, when you're gonna be a big girl, Nobody's gonna like you because of your brains. Because you're on your mother's side, you know? We don't do the math. We just do the goddamn street work. It's the best paid, you know? But, you know, nowadays, internet came. So you don't need to stand on the street. You can go on a Twitch. If you find some guy with a Twitch, you can show some little boobs. Even if you put the sockers inside, you know? You know, socks. And if you put socks inside, they're gonna think they're big boobs and you're gonna get a donation. A lot of donation. And when you get a lot of donation, you're gonna buy big boobs. So, you know, when Dinotti asked me, can I help him? I was like, I don't know, but I remember the advice of my mother. Dinottella, you gotta do everything for a living. Everything. That even means, if I had to do it, I had to put my, this throat a little bit bigger because those guys with the black continent down there south, those guys has a big machines. Machines are biggest. Yeah. It was stuck always here. I couldn't get it through. So I had to do, a surgery. And that surgery costed a lot. And now I can do the whole bunch of inside. Look at this. This black one, it fits my... And I can do it. I can do it. But, Dinotti said, please leave my black. Leave my black. So okay, today I'm going to check out who is with me here. Because, it's hardly for me to read. Because I used to leave the school. I think I was 10 years old, I had to learn ABC, that's it. I'm just guessing. So the second is today Haraga. What kind of name is that, Haraga? What the hell is this? Haraga. It's kind of like a full of bullshit. Ah, my God. Haraga, do you have any money? Guys, if you have any money today, you gotta donate so I can buy myself boobs. Yeah, I can buy myself a boobs. I'm sweaty girl. And next time, if you're gonna donate, I'm gonna have a big boobs. And I am gonna be the TwitchBitch original. Okay, Haraga, I gotta give you that Haugen. Haugen. And we got Lukulele. Haugen. Katsani. Haugen. And Urbi. Haugen. Oh, Urbi's gonna donate today. Oh, Urbi's gonna buy me a fake boobs. Yeah, I wanna do a fake boobs because, nobody wanna hire me. No, I did some movies. They said I'm gonna act in Titanic. And I didn't act in Titanic, but that was another version of movie. Other version of a movie, Titanic. It was a kind of like underground Titanic. I was a mistress, yeah. And I had to pleasure those black people which were doing, inside the Titanic. I had to give them motivation, yeah. They said I'm gonna act with Leonardo DiCaprio, but I didn't. I acted with some Leonardo DiCaprio. The Black Caprio. So, okay, we got Dinotti. What's up, Dinotti? Who are you? Dinotti, do you have a dirt? Oh, you got a dirt bike rider. I like to be a mess a little bit, with the dirt. Yeah, I like to be, But you gotta be careful my hair. Those are golden hair. Nobody will like me if I'm gonna have without hair. Nobody will like me. So we got a Diggy Busy. Why do you have a sword there? Diggy Busy. You are my white knight. White knight, Diggy. White knight. You're gonna save me. How much money do you have? Nothing is for free for this world. Diggy Busy, I hope you got a big kahuna black like this. Look at this. It got a fit with my face. If it's not big like my face, then it's not good for me. So I hope Diggy Busy you got a black one. So we're gonna give you some Haugans. And I'm gonna give you some Haugans. Chaburoy, I heard all about you. You're a guy from America who donated 50 euros, but you don't donate anymore. Dino is very not satisfied, He said he's gonna take me on a beach. And he can't take me on a beach. No, he can't take me on a beach because he doesn't have money. I'm not satisfied. Why they do that? Chaburoy, we gotta donate more to Dinotti now. He's a nice boy, tries every day. Oh, my ears. Oh, what is this? Oh, my hair. Oh, I was afraid. We have a plebe. There you go, Darko Senpai. Oh, Nedgin, that's a guy with the muscles. Nedgin, would you come and train me a little bit? You're gonna train me a little bit, Nedgy. You know, my ass is not so, nice. It's a little bit wobbly, But, black people would like to have a wobbly. So I don't wanna do a gym, I just wanna eat a lot. And get your money, bitches! And I am the biggest Twitch bitch, guys. I see this is my future. This is my future. I'm gonna be the biggest Twitch bitch. I'm gonna get all your money. And you're gonna pay me. I'm even doing a new music spot video. Yeah, I'm gonna be famous. I'm gonna go to Hollywood. And I wrote a letter to Kardashian, and they said I welcome their club. But I gotta be black with the black hair. I don't wanna be a black hair. Those black hair too ugly. I'm a blonde. I'm a Barbie. I'm a Twitch bitch. You guys gonna make me rich. What do you think? I'm a singer. So we gotta go. Okay. I sorry, forgot. Buddha kebab pizza. Shit, I love that food. But it's so expensive in USA. Here you go, Hogan for you. Plebe. Here you go. Darko. Darko, you got your Hadouken. Patchy. Hey, Patty. How are you, Patty? Patty, yeah, you can buy me a drink. You can buy. But you gotta come over here. But it's cheaper if you donate. I'm saving for my new boobs, guys. So, Patty, what's up, Patty? Yo. So we have Tian Lovich, yo. How are you, Tian? Greater! Oh my God, it's a Greater! Oh, Greater! I heard so much about you. You're a rich bitch. I gotta get you. Greater, give me a number. I'm gonna fly over there. Yeah, I know you're married, but you need a mistress. You need a mistress. Because I know you have money. Give me money. I'm gonna do that. Sakala bakala. Oh. You're gonna be satisfied. I feed the black ones. And you're not the black. I hope. So, Greater, welcome to the stream. Oh, Diggy Busy, why are you so mean to me? Boobs, I don't have a boobs, yeah. I don't have boobs, guys. I don't have money for boobs. I will buy them. No, Greater, why did you say that? I'm the ugliest blonde. I'm not the ugliest blonde. I won a Miss. I was on a Miss Universe and I won. I had to do some extra job behind the curtain, but doesn't matter. It doesn't count. The win counts, Dude, that jury, there were like 3 of them. Yeah, I did like this. They're all finished. So yeah, I was the Miss of Universe. So that doesn't mean that I'm the ugliest. No. I can feel it. Scooter. So, okay, Alexa, Kurva, what is Kurva? I don't understand. Shit, the boobs won't happen. No, I have a brains, but I forgot them at the home when I was born. But we don't need brains, we need boobs, so you gotta help me. You gotta help me. Kun Aguero. Hey, Kun Aguero, how do you play FIFA? Good, you're good with the balls. I have balls too, 2 of them in a pair, and they're wiggling. So, Kun Aguero, would you shoot my balls? See you, Kun Aguero. Hogan. Lover Gaming, it's not Nutella, it's a Dinottella. Dinottella, they took a name from me, I used to be brown when I was born. But I saw, with the brown color, you can't get any money. With the blonde color, you can get a lot of money. So I took a blonde and they saw that I'm a very successful woman. And everybody respects me. And they just took a name Nutella, so it sounds like Dinottella because I wanted to sue them, I wanted to sue them because they want to take my name. No. You gotta give me money, Nutella, if you want to get Dinottella. So now they just stick with the Nutella. I didn't get money. So what's up, Plantronics? I always think you're a Panasonic. That's a big company. You got a lot of money. Come. Liz, choop. We're gonna do it, Plantronics. How are you? Hadouken. Haraga, I can blow only for the money. I only blow for the money. Give me the money. I'm not a cheap bitch. I'm not a cheap bitch. I'm a goddamn respectful bitch, If I go to do the honey, bunny, I gotta get a lot of money. So what's up, Optic, yo? Optic, how are you, Optic? Hey, you bitch, you got money too. All you guys, Dinotti said me, be good to my donators, but I said, fuck them. You can't blow them. I can blow them, so they say whatever I want. and they're gonna give me money. So, here you guys. I think you got Hogan. The Woody, who are you? I don't know you. Can you trot me? Well, let me see who's else on my stream. The Woody, you are VP Rider. Oh, VP Rider. That's a guy with tattoos. I love tattoos, VP. VP, Dinotti said that you don't donate anymore. Why are you like that? He helps you all the time. Dinotti is very, very sad, VP Rider. You know, you gotta donate to me him a little bit. No, so he can take me to the beach and we can do the shine on the sun. I can drink a cocktail. I love a lot of cocktail. So we got here you go, VP Rider Hogan. We got a Twig Ditty. Hogan Twicky. I need money to get big titties. Twicky. Dinotti is not here, guys. Dinotti went. Today is Dinottella. Dinottella is here. So who wants to get Hogan? Hey, Roisland, why are you calling me TwitchBitch? Only I can say to myself TwitchBitch. That's a kind of insult if you say that. Don't say that. What's up, Bloody Grody? You like my beardy? I shave it every day. But I can't help it, you know, because it's black. And it gives a man to a great pleasure. So the beard, it's an awesome. So I did the curtains match the carpet. I don't know, I don't have both of them. I live on the street. Slovenian Village, how are you, Hogan? German Gaming, hello, how are you, Hogan? Hey, Royal Monkey, what's going on? It's me, Dinottella. Welcome to the stream. Okay, guys, if you're gonna be mean to me, I'm gonna be mean to you. Don't do that, guys. It's all about respect. I'm not here so you can give a bad name to me. No, I'm here to give some guys a game. You know, I give some. What? How can I have a Porsche? You got a Porsche. What kind of Porsche do you have? You know, if it's not a new one, if it's not a turbo, and if it's not to have a nitro and all those spoilers, I'm not gonna sit with you. You know, I'm not gonna sit with you. I know, Alex. I'm not gonna stream for long, guys. I'm gonna be here for 1 year, for 1 hour. So you're gonna have to donate if you're gonna be 1 hour, then I'm gonna go. Okay, guys. My throat is a little bit in pain. I'm gonna mute myself a little bit. Okay, I'm back. Oh, Woody, I have a Honda S2000. You gotta sell it to the Dinotti. Dinotti wants that car. Dinotti eyebrows are on a fleek. I love my eyebrows. You know, so many people said that, but I don't fall on that. I don't fall on that. No, I don't fall on the eyebrows. Jokes. No. I'm sorry. Oh shit, it wasn't muted. Sorry. I'm a lady. Thank you very much, Soko. Give me your number. Okay, guys, we're gonna play some games today. And I don't know what kind of games I'm gonna play. I don't know how to play, guys. And I'm gonna play some Grand Theft Auto. I don't give a fuck if you don't like that game. I don't give... Oh, sorry. Sometimes I have gas problems. Sometimes. Hey, Obala. You got a beat from a beach? Dinotti doesn't wanna take me to a beach. You know, that guy is a poor. Fuck him. He takes his whole money saving for the S2000. Fuck him. He doesn't wanna give me nothing. I need a boobs. You know, so Bala, but you live there. I can move to your place. I saw you streaming. You're so nice and handsome, boy. Oh, but you know, I feel you, Bala. I feel you. You got the big balls, you know. You don't have a girlfriend. I'm a perfect for you. Oh, no. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I got attack of the gas. Sorry. I won't do that anymore. Oh, my problems, guys. I don't know what to do. Guys. I don't know what to do. Oh, what's up, Mardev? Who are you, Mardev, who are you? I'm gonna check this Dinotti somewhere. Oh, shit. You can see something. Oh, my God. Oh, as long as they're not... Oh, I can't do this. I can't watch this anymore. Okay, guys. That was Dinottella. I gotta go. Fuck you all. I love only Black Doggy Slow because he donated all you cheap bastards. Fuck you. I will never come anymore. You hear that? I will never come anymore. So I'm gonna call Dinotti. He's gonna come back. Bye.